Looking for a reliable companion for your bike adventures? The top 5 best bicycle multi-tool keeps you prepared for any roadside repair. Compact, durable, and versatile, it ensures smooth rides, whether adjusting gears, fixing chains, or tightening bolts on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Crankbrothers Bicycle Multi-Tool. The Crankbrothers Bicycle Multi-Tool is a must-have companion for any serious cyclist, offering unmatched versatility in a compact, lightweight design. This multi-tool includes a comprehensive set of hex wrenches ranging from number 2 to number 8, open wrenches for 8mm and 10mm bolts, spoke wrenches from number 0 to number 3, and both Phillips number 1 and number 2, and flat number 2 screwdrivers. Additionally, it features Torx drivers T10 and T26, covering nearly every repair scenario a cyclist might face on the road or trail. Its integrated chain tool is compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains, making it practical for almost all modern bicycles. Ergonomics have been thoughtfully considered, with side grips providing a secure hold even while wearing gloves, which is invaluable during cold weather or challenging terrain. Despite packing so many tools, it maintains a slim profile at just 89mm in length and weighs only 175 grams, easily fitting into a saddlebag or backpack without adding bulk. One of the standout features is its durability. The Crankbrothers multi-tool is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use and even comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its craftsmanship. Whether adjusting brakes, tightening bolts, or fixing a broken chain mid-ride, this multi-tool ensures that you are prepared for virtually any mechanical issue. Overall, the Crankbrothers Bicycle Multi-Tool combines practicality, durability, and portability, making it an essential piece of gear for cyclists who value reliability and efficiency during their rides.
Number 2. Crankbrothers M17 Bicycle Multi-Tool. The Crankbrothers M17 Bicycle Multi-Tool stands out as a compact, highly functional repair solution for cyclists who need efficiency on the go. It comes with a well-curated selection of hex wrenches, number 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, open wrenches for 8mm and 10mm bolts, and spoke wrenches, number 0 to number 3, providing everything necessary for wheel adjustments or frame tweaks. The inclusion of Phillips number 2, flat number 2, and Torx T25 drivers covers most common fasteners, while the chain tool works across 8 to 12 speed chains, making it suitable for almost any modern bike. This multi-tool is designed with ergonomics in mind. Side grips offer a comfortable and secure hold even when hands are sweaty or gloved. Its compact size, 89mm in length and weighing only 168 grams, allows it to be easily carried in a jersey pocket, saddlebag, or backpack, providing convenience without sacrificing functionality. The M17 prioritizes portability and strength, with a durable construction that ensures it can withstand regular use on rough terrain. Cyclists will appreciate the ease with which they can perform routine adjustments, repair a chain, or address unexpected mechanical issues during rides. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Crankbrothers M17 demonstrates the brand's confidence in both design and materials. Lightweight, ergonomic, and exceptionally versatile, this multi-tool is ideal for mountain bikers, road cyclists, or anyone seeking a reliable, all-in-one solution for their cycling adventures. It's an investment in peace of mind and performance that riders can trust.
Number 3. Crankbrothers M19 Bicycle Multi-Tool. The Crankbrothers M19 Bicycle Multi-Tool is an advanced, compact solution for cyclists who demand both variety and reliability in a portable format. This multi-tool offers an extensive range of hex wrenches, number 2 through number 8, open wrenches, 8mm and 10mm, spoke wrenches, 0 to 3, and Phillips 1 and 2, and flat 2 screwdrivers, providing a comprehensive toolkit for on-the-go repairs. Additionally, it includes Torx T10 and T25 drivers, covering specialized bolts commonly found on modern bikes. Its ergonomic design is a highlight, with side grips ensuring secure handling even under challenging conditions, such as riding with gloves or in adverse weather. Despite the array of tools, it maintains a compact profile at 89 millimeters in length and weighs just 175 grams, ensuring easy portability in backpacks or saddlebags. The M19's construction is designed for durability, and it comes with a lifetime warranty, demonstrating the brand's commitment to long-lasting performance. Whether tackling mid-ride adjustments, chain repairs, or minor component tweaks, this multi-tool delivers convenience and reliability without adding bulk. Cyclists benefit from having a versatile, professional-grade tool in a single, portable package, reducing the need to carry multiple tools. Overall, the Crankbrothers M19 Bicycle Multitool is an excellent choice for serious riders who value efficiency, durability, and comprehensive functionality in a sleek, compact design, ensuring they are always prepared for unexpected mechanical challenges.
Number 4. Vibrelli Bicycle Multitool. The Vibrelli Bicycle Multitool is a versatile and highly durable option designed for cyclists who need a reliable all-in-one solution. Featuring 19 precision tools, it covers hex wrenches 2 to 8 millimeters, a universal chain breaker, spoke wrenches, M7, M9, 3.3 millimeters, 3.45 millimeters, open wrenches 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, Phillips #1, #2, flat #2, and Torx T25 drivers. This makes it suitable for virtually all on-road or trail repairs. It boasts a slim profile, measuring just 3 inches in length and 2 inches in width, and weighs only 6.5 ounces, making it easy to carry in a jersey pocket, saddlebag, or backpack. One standout feature is its military-grade Mil Standard 810G compliance, meaning the multi-tool can endure extreme conditions and heavy use without compromising functionality. The high-tensile chrome vanadium steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, resisting wear and tear while maintaining structural integrity over time. Its non-slip sidebar grips provide secure handling during adjustments, even in wet or muddy conditions, enhancing control and safety during repairs. Cyclists can confidently tackle chain breaks, brake adjustments, or general mechanical issues without worrying about tool reliability. Overall, the Vibrelli Bicycle Multitool offers a combination of strength, portability, and precision, making it a dependable companion for serious riders. Its lightweight, compact design paired with a full range of essential tools makes it ideal for daily commutes, long-distance rides, or rugged mountain trails. For cyclists seeking a rugged, versatile multi-tool that can handle a wide array of repairs efficiently, the Vibrelli Multitool is a highly practical and dependable choice. Number 5. WINFAVO Bicycle Multitool. The WINFAVO Bicycle Multitool is a comprehensive, multifunctional repair solution designed for cyclists and DIY enthusiasts who need portability without sacrificing versatility. Its integrated ratchet wrench includes 10 interchangeable magnetic bits, covering hex, Phillips, Torx, and other commonly used fasteners, allowing quick switching for various repair tasks, such as chain adjustments, brake maintenance, and screw tightening. The included mini pump with a dual valve adapter supports both Presta and Schrader valves, providing convenient tire inflation on the go, as well as inflating sports balls when needed. Constructed from durable alloy, this multi-tool is lightweight yet strong, with a magnetic snap-on design that enhances operational stability and prevents bit detachment during use. Its compact, modular structure measures palm-sized and weighs under 200 grams, making it easy to carry in backpacks or attached to a bike frame for emergency repairs during long rides, camping trips, or daily commutes. Beyond cycling, the WINFAVO Multitool serves home DIY purposes, including furniture assembly, appliance maintenance, and minor automotive tasks, providing excellent versatility for its size. Cyclists will appreciate having a single tool capable of addressing multiple repair scenarios, reducing the need for bulky toolkits. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.